an investigation of Congressman Long for profiteering.
Of course, now the question is, how will these animals be returned to their natural habitats? Well, something tells me if God got them here, he can probably get them home.
The House will undoubtedly reinstate Congressman Baxter when it reconvenes in the morning. Until then, there is a lot to be done here on Capitol Hill.